Hi guys, how are you today? Live tayo ngayon. Let's see sino mga viewers. I'm going to City of Dreams, going to get a gift. Then flight ko will be 7 p.m. Going back home in Mindanao, so I have like few hours. Chika tayo mga guys. Never keep me far away. Your hand and hold me. Naputol yung gel ko, yung hard gel ko guys, naputol siya, hindi ko na malayan. But anyway, pag balik ko, I will go home in Mindanao for a few days, like 1 week I think so. And then I need to come back here in Manila to sign a contract to start doing a real estate business again. So I'm going to do our daily rate same as before. So continue po tayo guys for the BLG condo rentals. So bigyan niyo po ako ng client. Bigyan niyo ako ng client guys ha. Yung mga foreigners, mga balikbayan. Actually, I miss it so much. Before COVID, I used to be successful in real estate business, no? Which I have like almost like 20 units in my hands. And ano, mas maganda ba ako pag walang mask or mas maganda ako pag may mask? Tinatapat ko yung mukha ko guys kasi 'di ba pag nagpa-filler ka, bawal siya sa sa mainit, so matutunaw, so kailangan nakamask ako pag nagpa-filler. So pa siya, fresh pa siya, kumbaga maaga pa lang. Napansin nyo medyo pula-pula pa siya, 'di ba? So bawal siyang maarawan or else madali siyang matunaw yung filler sa mukha mo. So that is why kailangan ko siyang takpan, lalo dito sa most especially here in the Philippines. It's too hot. Grabe. So, marami sigurong na-heat stroke, no? Sobrang init. It's too hot here in the Philippines. For sure, in another country, medyo warm na, no? It's warm. So, guys, kinokontak ko po yung mga mga agent dyan ha, yung mga dati kong agent, ayan. So, please give me a clients. If you're asking me, hopefully, in God's will, then I'm going to start a unit in C Residences, which is near Mall of Asia, okay? So, I will be back. And daily rental po tayo guys. So I will be active again with my booking.com, my Airbnb, and my BLG condo rentals page in Facebook. Ayan, so i-active ko siya again. You know why I decided this one? Because I know how much I am earning before. It's really good money. But of course, when you are doing a real estate business, you need to have your time and effort. You need to focus and you always be active. And hands-on po kasi ako when it comes to business. So, ayun, it's not the end of the world, you know, for me. I've lost a lot of money already before and I want to start again to recover all my losses. And I'm back, you know, BLG Condo Rentals is back soon. And I'm very excited to do it again. Hopefully by next month or let's see, because I will be 1 week in Mindanao, then I will be back here in Manila to talk to Honor, and let's see how it goes. You know, actually I'm planning to get a unit in Azure, and kasi I really like the amenities, most especially now is summer, so I'm sure if I will get a unit there, it will be very good for me, no, to promote this unit, kasi it's too hot in the Philippines, and then the amenities, the swimming pool is wavy, diba? So it's very nice. But the problem for me is that masyadong malayo, no, I am far. So I live in Cavite, and then I can come here in Pasig. So masyado siyang malayo for me. It will be easy. The Mall of Asia is easier. Like if I came from Cavite, then I go to Mall of Asia, it's very easy for me. Like how many sakay lang, no? So it's so easy. And I think I will decide there in MOA, kasi it's accessible also, and also the swimming pool is nice, no? And nagrent na din kami doon. It's nice. And I think doing a real estate business, it depends upon your hands, you know. It depends on how you market your unit, on how you do these things. Because before, in my experience, you know, I've been there before COVID, and very nice, very good money, you know, like if you are earning like more than $500,000 a month. But of course, I'm not saying it's all that money is from my hands, for my hands. It's like, you know, you are paying for the rent, you are paying for the water, electric, also for your cleaners, no, mga tao mo, sinasahuran mo. It's not easy. But for me, I will start only for 1 unit, 1 or 2 unit for me right now, and I'm so excited to do this again. But I learned a lot from my mistakes, guys. You know, I learned a lot. I don't have any savings, but for now, I need to put the money in my bank. So I know I can do it. If others can do, why can't I? Instead of asking myself, how can I do it? And I will never say I can't. I will, and yes, I can, and yes, I will do it. So for me, it depends upon yourself, you know, on how you manage your business, on how you take care of those things in your hands. Kasi before, I used to be a hands-on in doing a real estate business. It's not only the business that I have in my hands before. I have a salon and spa, and I also have a boutique. So for me, it's very easy. But salon and spa is not my line because I'm not into it. I'm just, kumbaga, binili ko lang, no? But all is gone. I stopped it because of COVID. I don't have savings, and I'm a single mom, no? I don't depend to anyone. I work it all alone by myself. And right now, I need to focus on just one thing, which is only the real estate business. I will do it again, okay? Because it's in my line, and I know how I do this business. You know, it's for me, I think it too much, you know. I think it's so much. Supposedly, I don't want to do it again because it hurts me when I lost it all, you know, before COVID. When during the COVID times, I lost all my business. It hurts me, so I left. I go to another country which I earn a good money. But being a smart, you know, is you need to save money in your hands. So when I came back here in the Philippines, is I have some savings, and if ever I'm going to release those monies, I want this very profitable. So you know what's the reason why I'm going to Mindanao is that I'm going to buy something for the business. And this is walang lugi, okay? So you will be excited, guys, if I'm going to show you, because I was thinking about it so much for like a year, you know, and I saw how this business, no, na walang, hindi ka malulugi actually, because you owned it. So I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. It's for all the Filipinos, and Filipinos love it so much. So it's one of my hobby actually, and my mom loves it. And this is a gift for my mom, you know, and this is a gift for mom. It can help, you know, it can help to pay, if you will earn from this business, it can help to pay your bills, you know, your water, electric. And yeah, I will go home because I need to do something very important, no, for 1 week in Mindanao. And hindi ako uwi just maggala lang or mag-happenings lang or going somewhere. Is not my attitude. I go in Mindanao because of business. So for now, I don't want to waste my time. All is about business because I really want to recover myself. For kung nadapa ka man before, you need to stand up. You need to keep your feet, you know, on the ground. You need to bumangon ka, no, kumbaga, you need to push yourself na bumangon. Guys, advice ko lang talaga sa mga girls. Grabe, no, grabing pagsubok. I have a lot of challenges in my life right now, being a single mom. And if you are a single mom, you need to control yourself because, you know, it's not easy. Kasi, or else, you cannot make it. Kaya I'm very focused, as you can see. I don't like gala-gala, no, with some other people like gala-gala. No, me, it's only business. So, maging satisfied ka lang sa life mo because you born like this. You know, you born this way. So, for now, I have some money to invest. But, kailangan meron akong profit. Yun talaga. You need to think smart. Sabi nila, you need to be smart, no? Dami kong kilalang mayaman, pero ang lalaki naman ng utang, okay? So ako siguro konti na lang utang ko actually. Kasi nabayaran ko na rin. And then, at the same time, if I do business here again in the Philippines, guys, no? Kasi dati I cannot travel, diba? But now, I know how to do it again. So even if I manage the units, I still can travel another country. And it will be easy for me kasi I have records already. I have connections already. And what's the good thing that I'm going to do is that, you know, I need to save money right now. And I need to apply for a visa in China. So because I love doing I do buy and sell, right? And I love selling online. And I got my DTI. I will get my BIR because I also want to do live sometimes, no. I want to have experience, I mean, no, on how to do it most especially in the social media, no. You are selling like in TikTok, in Shopee, but you know, kasi wala ako, I don't have BIR yet, so I need to get it. So ayun nga, if I go home, I just buy something and then come back here in Manila. Because I have a lot of papers to process and also try to do the business again. Abangan nyo po, guys, no, I'm back. BLG Condo Rentals. To all of my agents out there, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Alam nyo na, no, if you give me the clients, you will get a commissions already. And to all of my old clients, no, old clients, ayan, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, mga madam, yung mga dati kong kliyente sa ibang bansa, mga kababayan ko dyan, or mga, ang mga nagre-rent sa akin, ayan, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, sooner, no, I'm back in the units, condominium unit for rent. Ang dami kong gamit, di ba, alam nyo yan, dami kong gamit, so I'm not worried about it if what I need in the unit. I don't need to spend so much because I need to keep the money in my hands. Save money at this time. You will learn a lot from your mistakes. It's so nice, but I survive. You know, can you imagine, guys, being alone, no? And then you are the one who is the breadwinner. You're supporting your family. Na you put food on the table of your family. Lahat sa'yo. Can you imagine that one? So, life is great, you know, for me. It's very nice. I'm not being a drama, I'm just telling the truth. Some people, they said, oh, when I was in another country, mayabang niya, she's telling this, telling that. It's not being mayabang, I'm telling the truth. You know, if you are telling something that showing to people na nakikita naman nila what is real, they can tell, oh, totoo yan pag nagsalita, hindi naman yan sinungaling kasi yung mga sinasabi niya ay totoo naman, di ba? So I'm gonna show you guys, no? I'm gonna show you. So I do my live while I'm here in the car. It's very nice pala, guys. Those people in another country, it's not only because the no, maiba naman tayo, guys. Yun lang, sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, no, soon, maybe in God's will, maybe next month I will start from 1 unit. I remember from 1 units in my hands, I reached to 20 units in my hands before, all alone by myself, and I will check if I can make it again. Why not? No, why not? So just think positive. I'm very, you need to have a positive mindset. Think positive, positive thinker ka. Grabe ka kung ano, kumbaga, let's do it, guys. You know, let's do it. Just hindi lang sa salita kundi sa gawa. Okay? So ayan, nag-ano lang ako, nag-live lang ako just to tell all the agents of my real estate business before na, ayun, you give me clients again. Okay? So, guys, I wanna share to you, when I was in another country, so maiba na tayo, you know, the Uber, diba, it's still working in another country. And then here, in Philippines, we also have Grab, diba? So now, we have a new one, the InDrive application, and it's very fast and convenient. Grabe, mas mura, okay? Mas mura, and ang daming nagpa-pop up, ang daming, you can choose which car you like because lumalabas lahat ng mga kinds of cars, and then you can see the rate of them, if they are doing good, they are doing well, you know, in their service. It's very nice, guys, and very fast. Very fast. Grabe, pag nag-book ka, I think wala pang 1 minuto, nakapag-book ka na sa InDrive, guys, no? Sa mga balikbayan dyan, guys, promote natin or i-share natin yung InDrive, no? Since, you know, I'm not so magaling na nagba-vlog, but only the words I can tell. Sometimes kasi nilalagay nila sa taas, I don't know how to do it, yung parang nilalagyan nila sa taas, tinuturo nila, then they put the app, no, the application, but I'm going to study how to do it, no. And ayan, InDrive, big letter I, N, tapos magkadikit, big letter D, R, I-V-E. So, pwede kong i-share sa inyo kung gusto nyo akong i-PM. So, kung gusto nyo ng mabilisan na book, no, ng car nyo, InDrive, at saka mas mura. Okay? And, ang nag-share lang din sa akin nito, guys, si Ma'am Antoinette. Thank you very much to Ma'am Antoinette pala. Kasi, I came from another country, and then, she's so surprised, you know, she's so surprised nung, kasi galing ako ng ibang bansa noon, and then sabi ko, kasi kinukontak ko yung isang friend ko, guys, no, na may kondo sa Makati. Then supposedly I need to stay with her kasi nasanay nga ako magstay doon, and then hindi niya ako pinatuloy, no. Thank you to you kung hindi mo man lang ako pinatuloy. Okay? You know who you are. I don't know if she have a reason or galit ba siya sa akin, guys. I don't care, you know. And sorry to say to the public, early, like late at night, I contacted them, you know, only naman siya, no, hindi naman tayo pwedeng magalit kasi condo niya naman yun, and sorry for that, for disturbing her na lang. And ayun, I thought I'm going to stay in her condo kasi nga nasanay ako, kasi we are friends for more than 10 years. Can you imagine that? Ewan ko kung galit siya sa akin o what's the reason. Maybe maybe dahil sa pera or whatever. No, I'm joking, you know. And ayun, guys, sinasabi ko lang experience ko sa inyo, and then hindi niya ako ni-reply, and then supposedly we have planned together, you know. Siguro she needs help of another friends. Hindi niya ako ni-reply, and then early in the morning, like late at night, I was in the airport, and I can't go home in Cavite. I don't have key in my house, you know, in my home. So I was thinking in the airport, sino kaya, sabi ko, sa mga friends ko yung pwede kong kontakin, no, na pwede kong tuluyan, kasi mostly kasi tulog na ganun, kasi late na kasi ako noon eh. Then pumasok sa isip ko si Ma'am Antoinette, sabi ko, gising pa kaya to, sabi kong ganun. Try ko lang, kasi sabi niya, ay nako, swerte mo at gising pa ako, kasi suppose pag natulog ako, naka-silent yung phone ko, sabing ganun sa akin. So in God's talaga, help of God, tinawagan ko siya, and I call her, no, and then she answered me. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, sabi ko, thank you very much, madam, at sinagot mo ko. Sabi niya, asan ka? Sabi ko, sa airport ako. Sa airport ka kagad. Sabi ko, madam, sabi ko ganun, hindi ako makauwi. Sabi ko, hindi ako makauwi. Sabi ko, magpunta ako dyan sa'yo. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. I'm very welcome. She's very good to me. For how many years ko din siyang friend. I think, you know, way back 2012, I've known her. Like, hindi pa na tayo yung Lancaster New City in Cavite, magkakilala na kami. Hindi, pumunta na ako na ibang bansa doon sa Taiwan. Kilala ko na siya. Di tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko, madam, nasa airport ako, wala akong matuluyan, sabi ko. So supposedly magbubuk ako ng hotel nearby sa Cavite, kasi sabi ko, I'm gonna check my home. Hala, tumawag man siya, sabi niya, hindi, no, you don't need to go home na, kasi late ka na, ano ka ba, sabi niya, ganun, pumunta ka na lang dito sa Pasig, sabing ganun sa akin. Sabi ko, sige, sabi ko ganun, magbook ako. Tapos sabi niya, tapos yung nag-check ako, sabi ko, ay madam, medyo pricey, Grab. Sabi ko gano'n sa kanya, ay hindi, mag-book ka, mag-download ka ng InDrive. Sabi gano'n sa akin. Kaya ayun, nalaman ko yung InDrive, and then nagulat ako, na-surprise ako, na ganun pala yung InDrive, no? Ang bilis niya, lahat ng mga sasakyan, pop up agad, pipili ka kung anong gusto mong sasakyan, no? Iba-ibang mga, and maganda, guys, same rate, parehong rate, pero kahit maliit na car, malaki na car, pero same rate siya. So depende sa iyo kung anong car yung gusto mo, no? Depende yan sa iyo kung ano yung ipipiliin mo. So ganun po siya, no? Yung mga kaibigan ko sa ibang bansa, para malaman niyo yung InDrive, guys, download niyo, no? Pagdating niyo ng so very comfortable sa inyo, pagdating niyo pa lang nag-uunahan na yung sasakyan na ibubuk niyo. Kahit sa airport kayo, you don't need to wait. 1 minute nandyan na, magbuka, ang bilis pa. Bilis ng pagdating nila. Then, ayun, pumunta ako ng Pasig, ayan. So, yun guys, no, and when I arrive in Pasig, syempre, may wifi si madam. Nag-isip na naman ako ngayon ng business. Kaya guys, bumili ako ng isang bell na ukay-ukay or pre-love. Nag-live selling ako. So, maganda din pala, no, kasi, actually, you don't need too much, price, no, to people pala when it comes to live selling. Kailangan lang mabawi mo yung puhunan mo, and then magkaroon ka ng profit, okay na. Excited ako na gawin siya ulit. Actually, pagbalik ko from Mindanao, I will do live selling ng, ang gaganda guys, nakita ko talaga, ang gaganda. Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng presyong mahal. Ang gaganda ng mga pillowcase, mga blanket, mga comforters, ang gaganda niya. And then nag-live selling ako ng mga dress na simple lang siya. 50 pesos isa ang price ko, no? Kasi binili ko siya ng 1 bale. Ang maganda, pag bumili ka kasi ng 1 bale or isang bundle, yung mabibigay mo siya ng presyo na mababa. So, nag-live selling ako, and then I'm planning to do it again. I will check, no, if I can do it in Mindanao, kasi at least kahit mag-live selling man ako doon, pwede ko namang iiwan sa mother ko, siya na yung mag-continue. Sabi niya nga sa akin, anak, turuan mo nga akong mag-reels. Bakit ang dami-daming kumikita sa reels ngayon? Sabi ganun ng mother ko. Sabi ko, o sige ma, turuan kita, tapos magluto ka sa kahoy, ha? Tapos kunwari umiiyak ka. Ang dami. Guys, ang dami kong i-content, as in, yung buhay na mahirap, alam niyo yun, yung mahirap ka, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Nagluluto po kami sa kahoy. Papakita ko po sa inyo, sa probinsya. Luto kami sa kahoy, and then, yung mga gulay namin. Minsan doon lang sa likuran ng bahay, kumukuha kami ng mga talbos ng kamote, kangkong, ganon, inuulam namin. And then, mga tanim lang din ni mother, no? And, I really want to check the Mindanao. Kung may pera lang ako, guys, na malaki, gusto kong kumuha ng lupa, yung nakatingin, nakatanaw ka sa beach, sa dagat. Kasi meron akong kaibigan doon, guys, actually. Binibenta niya yung property niya, like 18 million, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. I-develop mo lang talaga siya, you will have your own resort. But I want something na pwede mo siyang tayuan ng bahay, and then at the same time yung resort. Kaya pag uwi ko ngayon, i-check ko. Yun yung number 1 na meron daw sa amin, pero alam niyo yung Lagindingan Airport, 'di ba? So meron daw doon, sabi ni mother ko, 6,000 a month na lupa. Pero magda-down ka ng 30,000 pesos. Ay, sobrang laki ng Lagindingan Airport. Alam niyo naman sa Cagayan de Oro, yan yung bababaan ko, 'di ba? Ang laki, ang luwang na, ang laki pa ng, ang dami pang lupa na vacant actually doon. If you want to do business, you can get, no? So I was thinking about it also. So I was thinking about it. 6,000 a month, sabi ni mother. Sabi ko, let's see, let's check kung anong maganda. Kasi syempre, 'di ba? So yung location kasi, guys, airport kasi 'yun. So maganda siya kasi so far ngayon na de-develop talaga, sobrang laki niya. Okay? So tamang-tama din talaga yung yung alis ko from Pasig kasi 2 hours bago mag-check-in, di ba? So I will arrive in Mindanao. My flight will be 7 p.m., 7:20 p.m. my flight with Philippine Airlines. Then darating ako doon ng 9 p.m. So sasalubungin ako ng aking mother's key, ng aking father's key, at anakis kong nag-iisa sa buhay ko, yung aking anak na 15 years old, lalaki. Ayan, for sure sasama yan, hindi yan magpapaiwan. And kasi nasa school ngayon, binibiro ko ngayon binibiro ko, kunwari galit ako. Kunwari galit ako kasi nga may kasalanan sa akin. And guys, dala ko yung laptop niya na MacBook, no? Sabi niya, puro ka na lang salita, mama, hindi mo naman dinadala dito, akin naman yan, akin naman yung yung laptop mo dyan, akin na yan, di ba akin yan, sabi ko ganun. Sabi, bakit? Sabi ko ganun, bakit, magagamit mo ba ang laptop kung walang wifi? Sino ba magbabayad ng wifi? Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Oh gosh, guys, life is great. Grabe, guys, hindi ko man lang nakita yung family ko during pandemic pala. Nung pandemic kasi umuwi ako. I think 2 years na yata eh. Kasi 2022 noong last kong umuwi. Tapos hindi ako nakabalik agad kasi I really want to recover myself. So I was always trying hard, you know. And ayan, ngayon ako ulit na uwi ng Mindanao for some reason. Ayan. Ang ganda ng coat ko, no? Ang ganda ng coat ko. Binili ko pre-love din. Doon sa Pasig, New York. So kailangan may sombrero akong New York. Black and white din para match. Sabi nung kaibigan ko, kailan ka balik ng New York? Pabiroin, no? Kasi yung damit ko nga New York. Funny. Ay, malapit na tayong dumating sa COD. Pagdating ko doon, sandali lang ako doon, may kukunin ako, tapos magano na ako, going to airport na. Siguro mga dapat alas 4, mga 1 hour yan. Dapat kasi 5 dapat nasa airport na ako ng 5. Guys, abangan nyo yung mga kaganapan yung i-vlog ko ha. Actually, gusto ko sanang bisitahin si Brain Damage. Ayan, si Brain Damage ay kapitbahay ko yan. Okay? Malapit si Brain Damage. Sabi ko, pag nagla-live na si Brain Damage, pareho na kami damage ang utak. Kasi yung mga message ko sa live niya, nagme-message ako doon sa live niya. Sabi ko, andyan ka ba sa resort mo? Kasi gusto kong mamasyal. But I'm not sure kasi I really want to go, no? Gusto ko sanang mag-overnight doon. Pero gusto ko pag nag-overnight ako doon, nandun si Brain Damage. Para sumikat din naman ako sa, sa Facebook, guys. Ang dami niyang pinasikat. At saka nakakatawa siya, as in. Nakakatawa. Bisaya kasi, di ba? Pag Bisaya. Ang ganda. Ganda ng, ng banding. I mean, pag nakipag-collab ako sa kanya. Kaso lang, mas maganda ako dun. Baka mahiya siya sa beauty ko. Charot. Brain Damage, how are you? Ayan. Gusto kitang makita in person, ma-meet in person. Guys, kita niyo yung resort ni Brain Damage, 'di ba? Ganyan yung gusto ko. Promise. Kaya gusto ko talagang maghanap ng somewhere. Stay away and think about today. Ay, hindi ko man lang naipakita sa inyo yung no. Next time guys, kapag nag-vlog ako ulit, papakita ko sa iyo Manila. I mean, yung mga viewers ko from another country pala. Wala na yung mga viewer ko, mga na. Kasi mahina siguro yung yung connection ko, no. Kasi naka-connect lang ako sa data. Reality, so I'm leaving yesterday behind. Memories stay away and think about today. I'm leaving yesterday behind. The way I did before. Favorite ko talaga tong salamin ko na to kasi 8 Infinity. Nakatira ko dati dyan sa Katipunan Village. Bata pa ako noon, inday-inday pa ako. Way back 2000, andito ako sa Maynila, no. I did before. Grabe. Guys, kung may makita kayong sombrero na New York, pa-PM naman ako kasi gusto ko black and white. Plain lang siya na black and white. I-check ko nga sa sa Baclaran kung meron. Ganito siya, guys, na design, New York. Gusto ko tong coat na to eh. And then lalo pag naka-jogging pants ako na white, madumi kasi. Hindi ko siya sinuot kaya naka-pants ako na black. Comfortable talaga siya. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo. Brown yung color ng hair ko, but actually ash gray. Ash gray yan. Ang init sa Pilipinas kaya ano nakaipit siya. Tapos lalo pag naglalakad pa ako ngayon ako. Ay, naku, naputol yung kuko ko. Nawalan tuloy ako ng self-confident. Check ko nga kung nadala ko yung candy ko. Sa sobrang lamig sa ibang bansa, guys, nadala ko yung ubo ko dito. But I am okay. Kailangan ko lang ng mga para sa sore throat na candy. Makati yung lalamunan ko eh. Sorry. Guys, mag-off muna ako dito sa live ko kasi may gagawin pa ako, okay? I need to do something for the business. Bye po. See you next ng live ko.